Hi, we're going to talk today about one of the less obvious features of the Kito lever hoist, something that we refer to as the smart brake. I'm going to use this 3/4 ton lever hoist to demonstrate what the smart brake is and how it operates. As you can see, this one is currently in the freewheel mode. I'm going to apply a load to this hoist to engage the brakes. Now, I've done that. The hoist now has a load on the hook. I want you to listen very carefully. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to pull that freewheel knob out while there is a load on this hook. Do not ever operate a lever hoist in the free chain mode with a load on the hook. I'm going to do it now because I'm in a controlled environment and we're going to demonstrate the smart brake. So, when I pull this knob out to put the hoist in freewheel condition, the smart brake senses the fact that there's a load on the hook and it will not release that load. That is a safety feature specifically designed into the Kito lever hoist. I can re-engage the knob and I can either continue to lift the load or I can lower it down. Now what about times when the load is actually removed from the hook without the use of the hoist? Perhaps a forklift drives up, picks the load up and takes it away. I'm going to simulate that by using this table to remove the load from the hook. I do that and I'll lower that load. Now the load is free of the hoist. If I now go to use this hoist and put it into free chain mode, I'm going to find that the brake is still engaged. Pop that out. That chain should be pulling through smoothly, but the smart brake, which knew the load was there, does not know that the load has been taken off. So there's a couple of ways that I can free up that brake. Number one, I can put the load back up onto the hook and then I can continue to operate the hoist as I did before. That's not always practical. Another way that I can do that is I can re-engage the freewheel knob, put the change of propel to the down position, and I can turn this handle or rotate the handle counterclockwise. Now what you'll find is that you'll have to hold the body firmly to do that because that brake is still engaged and there's going to be some resistance between the handle and the body. When I do this and pull hard, I can free up the brake, go into freewheel condition again, and this time the hoist is operating freely like I want it to.